Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Budget with Soph. If you're new here, I'm Sophia, and on my channel we do budgeting, we do cash stuffing, we save our coins, and we see where our money goes. So let's say goodbye to this box. We are done with February. This is the last cash stuffing for February. This is a side hustle income cash stuffing. So we're gonna see where we got our side hustle income from and see what we are budgeting and cash stuffing today. So we're gonna bring out our Erin Condren life planner. We're gonna go into February, and we are on week 4. So week 4, we're going to do this peach color. So this last week of February is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 to end the month of February. Okay, so for this week, last week of February, we babysat 2 days. So we babysat on the 24th, and we got, so let's see, babysitting, what was I doing? So we babysat here on Saturday the 24th, and we got $75. We also dropped off 1 day this week. So we did drop off on Thursday, and that was the only day. So that would equal to $40. So this 2 weeks, let's get our calculator out. We had, where is the purple? I don't know what the purple marker was that I was using for here. But we had 75 plus 40. So we got a total of $115 for this last week of February for side income. All right, so as you can see here, we do not have $115. Out of the $115, it was Friday past the 1st of March. We took out $50, so we should have $65 here to cash stuff. And did we have some no spend days? I think we did. So we're gonna put some stickers down for our no spend days. So we're gonna do, I'm gonna put some random. So I'm gonna do on the 27th and on the the 24th, and then last week I noticed I didn't put any stickers for this week, so I'm just gonna put 1. I'm gonna put the 21st. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 no spend days, which is our goal each and every month. And we had more than 10 no spend days this month. Last month, we're speaking about February because we're speaking in the past right now. So we had more than 10 no spend months, and I said, I forgot what I said. Let's go back to our goals to see what I really said. So, yeah, it doesn't say. Oh, 10 no spend days a month. So we can cross that off for the month of February. That was a big check mark. I didn't mean to do it that big, but whatever. So we are done with this planner. So for today's, let's put these 2 away, and we do need this marker. So we have $20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 plus 20 equals 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $65 for this cash stuffing. So what we're gonna do, we're not gonna have enough money, as you guys can tell, for all our cash stuffings, but it's okay. We're gonna finish some of them. So for the month of February, we did save $200 like we were supposed to. How exciting is that? That is all done. This is the automatic savings challenge that I have in my bank account. Sorry, I had to think about that. So we're gonna take out our savings challenges, which is this binder right here, and we are going to do our 52 weeks, which is gonna be 20, 25, and 30, 31, 32. $32 for 52 weeks. We are not going to do all of our savings challenges in this binder that we were supposed to do this month, but it's okay. Next month is here, and I feel like next month is going to be very busy for me, as in March, as in right now, it's already kicking up, and we are already in just the first week. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. So we are all done with our February cash stuffing for our 52 weeks. And we are going to go on to our Friday challenge. And our Friday challenge, it says that we have to save $30. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. $30 in our Friday challenge. And we are also all done with our Friday challenge for the month of February. And last but not least, we're going to put $2 into our, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to put this into our monthly because we also need to do that and we don't have any more money. So we're going to cash stuff this next week. But we did figure out that what our weather was. It was the first. Wow. I don't know why I'm putting dollar signs. I'm hoping for dollar signs, right? I mean, that's what we are all hoping for, but yeah. So I guess let's speak it into existence. March is dollar signs month, I guess. I am for it. I am for it. It was literally raining. Oh, wait. No, that's the second. It was the second. Friday was the first, but this is recorded on Saturday. So this was the second. This was the second, and it was pouring rain literally all day on Saturday. I had my dentist appointment. So I definitely did some spending. I guess that's why it was raining. I definitely did some spending. I went to Home Goods. I did some spending there too. So yeah, for next week, we're going to have to cash stuff or somehow figure out how we're going to cash stuff. 45 and 45, so $90. We're going to have to cash stuff $90 here. And then we have to finish up this, and next for our paycheck we need to do these two. So these two will be for March, and that is it for our savings binder and savings book and savings notebook tracker. And we are going to go into our monthly. We are supposed to save for February $168. We are not here. For March, we're only saving $78, so I feel like that will be easy. But for February, that's supposed to be $168. Let's see, we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and $100. So we're missing $68. So that we need to make that up in the month of February. But yeah, that is it for our cash stuffing. I do want to show you guys something that I recently purchased because I wanted to try it out, at least just to try it out. I have not opened it yet, so this is going to be my first unboxing. So let's put this away and let's grab what it is. So this is from Amazon. AMSR. I was wanting to do that. So we're gonna open this. Anybody want to take a guess of what it is? And here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. I ordered an A7 binder on Amazon, and I wanted to try it out. I thought it would be smaller than this for some reason, but this is what it looks like. It's white, and it goes exactly along with my sinking funds, and I do stuff these together, so I thought white would be good, just to stay in the color scheme. I was also thinking about getting a pink one because my colors are purple, pink, white, and a blue, but I figured I'll do this white. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. It comes with some card slots here, 3 card slots, and then we have this little opening in the back of both the covers, and that's it. It's a snap to close, and it also has a pen holder. So these are what comes with it. Oh, it does come with stickers. I don't think any of these is what I have in my wallet, and this is gonna be in place of my wallet, so I guess I have to order some stickers, or I'll look around to see if I have stickers. We have these trackers, budget sheets, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 envelopes, and I also have 8. So I guess one of them have to go, or should I order another envelope? Because I do have 8. I have my groceries, gas, beauty, groceries, gas, pet care, household, personal, beauty, miscellaneous, and eat it out. So 8. I do have 8 dividers in my wallet, and I have 7 envelopes here. So guys, what should I do? Order another one or eliminate one of them? I will not be ordering any of these. I mean, I won't be using any of these. So you guys could give me oh, there's more. Oh, maybe I can. So I have pets. That's 1, miscellaneous, 2, personal, gas, food, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and maybe entertainment. Maybe I could use these. Let me just put them on right now. I'm not gonna spend money if I have these. I didn't even notice I had these, so let's just use them. And I'm missing 1. Shopping, entertainment, food, yes, housing, savings. I am going to leave this just like that. Miscellaneous, dining out, pet care, beauty, personal, gas, and groceries. Those are my categories for this envelope. I might switch them to the other side because I don't like how all the zippers are all on the same side right now, because that will be hard to close once it's like full and stuff. So yeah guys, that is all I wanted to show you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.